How to remove the Citroen C4 B7 dash parts, in particular the radio, vent, display, heater control panel, etc. If it doesn't look the same, it probably isn't the same and there's no point in watching this video. Now we'll start off with the vent. Using a plastic tool, don't use a flat middle screwdriver because you can damage the vent or the trim, and you'll need to gently partially remove from all sides. Don't just pull out one side first, as you can damage the clips that hold the vent in place. And as you can see, work your way around the vent and then eventually it will detach. Whenever you're working with plastic pieces, you want to be very gentle. Now that that is off, this is all in order, by the way. So you have to remove the vent first, then you can remove this display, which is also held on by clips. So if you want to change the heater AC control panel, you have to remove these items first. And then with this display, you can unplug the display by pressing onto that section of the plug and then pulling it out. And then for the heater AC control panel and the radio controls, there's torque screws, 6 of these that you need to remove. And then there's 2 to the bottom, which is underneath a cover. First you'll need to remove this cover over here, and there's also 2 torque screws here. Remove these torque screws, and then when you remove these ones, you'll need to remove the last 2 to the top, totaling 6 torque screws. And then you can pull out the control panel. You'll need to unplug these plugs, and how you do this is you press onto this section over there and then you pull the locking section back. So push down there and then pull that part, and then this is how you unplug the heater AC control panel. And then for the head unit, there are 2 torque screws that hold it in place. The same way you remove all these items is the same order you put them back. Once you remove these 2 torque screws, you can slide the head unit out. And then unplugging the head unit. There will always be sections of the plugs that you need to press onto or pull onto to detach the plugs. This one here, you pull these together, these 2 sections, you put them together and then slide the locking mechanism.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.